Good evening, everyone. I am Vishakha. Welcome to 3.0 TV. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-round update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segment, including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity, and several other related issues. Keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3, including to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies fall on profit-taking ahead of weekend. Bitbns says fund withdrawals delayed owing to acts of law enforcement agencies. Binance recovers $450,000 from Curve Finance hack. Huobi chief in talks to sell $1 billion stake in crypto exchange. Tornado Cash website taken offline, developer arrested in Netherlands. Pudgy Penguins NFT prices surge after creator unveils IRL toys. Brazilian payment app PicPay launches crypto exchange with Paxos. UN trade body calls for halting cryptocurrency in developing countries. Maven 11 launches $30 million lending pool on Maple Finance. 7% Indians own crypto, 7th highest globally, says UN. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrencies fell in evening trade Friday on profit-taking ahead of the weekend and as investors awaited confirmation on consumer confidence and spending. Bitcoin fell below $24,000. US stocks futures, however, gained amid continued exuberance over slowing pace of inflation, which could motivate the Federal Reserve to slow its pace of rate hikes sometime during the year. Inflation has been a focus for both investors and the Fed this year. The latest US consumer sentiment readings from the University of Michigan and fresh inflation expectation data due later today will feed into this story. Bitcoin traded around $23,788, down nearly 4% in the past 24 hours. Ether traded around $1,880, down over 2.2% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins too traded lower. Indian crypto exchange Bitbns said on Thursday that withdrawals in Indian rupees have been delayed as law enforcement officers have blocked its bank account. The statement from Bitbns was in response to anxious users who had complained over the social media saying withdrawal amounts don't reflect in their bank accounts even after 15 days. Some users waited for 40 days. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao took to Twitter today to announce that the crypto exchange managed to recover $450,000, representing roughly 83% of the funds stolen from Curve Finance on Monday. Curve Finance, a popular decentralized exchange, suffered a front-end attack on Monday on its name server, Curve.fi, resulting in a $570,000 loss of Ethereum from the platform. On Tuesday, crypto exchange Fixed Float reported that it had also caught and froze 112 Ethereum, or roughly $211,000 at today's price. Huobi Group founder Leon Li is engaged in talks with a group of investors as the Chinese entrepreneur is looking to sell his majority stake in the crypto exchange at a valuation between $2 billion to $3 billion. People close to the matter said FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried and Tron founder Justin Sana among the investors who have held preliminary talks with the Huobi boss. The official website of Tornado Cash has been taken offline after it was blacklisted by the US Treasury Department. The move seems to have been initiated by the government with directions issued to relevant agencies and parties involved in hosting Tornado's website and other relevant social media channels. Tornado Cash was added to OFAC's sanctioned list on Monday. Meanwhile, a 29-year-old Tornado Cash developer was arrested in Amsterdam on Friday. Sales of Pudgy Penguin NFT heated up on Thursday after the project announced it would be licensing select NFTs to be made into physical toy collectibles. The collection has seen 252 Ether, around $466,000 worth of sales in the last 24 hours, a 370% increase from the previous day, according to data from OpenSea. The collection's floor price is now 2.63 Ether, around $4,900, an 18% increase from yesterday's floor and a 60% increase from 30 days ago. Major Brazilian payment application PicPay is moving into cryptocurrencies by integrating a crypto exchange service allowing users to buy Bitcoin and Ether. The firm officially announced that PicPay clients can now buy, sell, and store two major cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin or Ether, directly on its app. The new crypto feature is enabled through a partnership with the major crypto company Paxos and allows customers to use Paxos-issued United States dollar-backed stablecoin USDP. The UN Trade and Development Body, UNCTAD, has called for action to curb cryptocurrencies in developing nations. The agency warned that cryptocurrencies are an unstable financial asset that can bring social risks and costs. UNCTAD said their benefits to some are overshadowed by the threats they pose to financial stability, domestic resource mobilization, and the security of monetary systems. UNCTAD also highlighted the particular risk that stablecoins pose in developing countries with unmet demand for reserve currencies. Netherlands-based crypto investment firm Maven 11 has launched its third lending pool on Maple Finance, giving borrowers access to liquidity amid the bear market. The $30 million pool, financed by institutional lenders, will be utilized by trading firms that include Wintermute Oros and Flow Traders, among others. The new pool is designed specifically for institutions looking for yield opportunities. Maple, a decentralized finance credit platform, is filling a void left by the implosion of leading centralized finance companies such as Celsius. About 7.3% of India's population owns digital currency, according to the United Nations, which said that the use of cryptocurrency rose globally at an unprecedented rate during the pandemic. The UN Trade and Development Body, UNCTAD, said that in 2021, developing countries accounted for 15 of the top 20 economies when it comes to the share of the population that owns cryptocurrencies. India ranked 7th among global economies in digital currency ownership as a share of population. In 3 policy briefs published on Wednesday, it said that while these private digital currencies have rewarded some and facilitate remittances, they are unstable financial assets that can also bring social risks and costs. That's all in the news today. This is me, Vishaka, signing off, and for more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV.